It's food reviews back. Today we're gonna try some Fit Active 100 calorie snack pack.
Mmm.
They're chocolate, so.
Must be good.
Yep. Okay. Okay, I got some little sprinkles on top. You can see those. Okay.
Tell us about it.
Yeah. It's crunchy. It's chocolate. Wow, I can't speak. Well, it's really good. Try some. Wait. A second. Get some whipped cream up in here.
Jesus Christ.
Woo!
Well, that's a lot.
Otherwise, they're actually pretty good. 3.
All right.
Woo!
That's gonna wrap it up.
Oh, Evan.
So Antonio got mad, and he decided I told him I ended the recording when he was still talking, and he slapped this. It went over here, knocked the bowl down.
Well, that's nice. I'm good. 911.
Well, Mama gonna be mad.
Look how many bowls of this we have in the cabinet. Look in the cabinet, we have like 20 bowls.
Oh yeah.
You're still recording.
Yeah. It's funny that you raged and you broke a bowl.
Macaroni good. I think it has some glass in it.
We were laughing at first, and then we heard the bowl.